My Nexo card has just arrived. The Nexo card is a unique and innovative cryptocurrency card that offers several compelling advantages over traditional debit and credit cards. The Nexo card offers seamless switching between debit and credit modes, allowing you to manage your spending and rewards preferences effectively. In debit mode, you spend directly from your linked Nexo account, while credit mode utilizes your instant crypto credit line to fund purchases without selling your crypto. The Nexo card provides generous crypto rewards on your spending, with the percentage increasing depending on your loyalty tier. Platinum tier holders receive up to 2% cashback in Nexo tokens or 0.5% in BTC, while gold, silver, and base tiers offer lower but still substantial rewards. I am Platinum. The Nexo card is completely fee-free with no monthly, annual, or inactivity charges. Additionally, there are no minimum monthly repayment requirements, allowing you to manage your payments at your own pace. The Nexo card is accepted worldwide and supports contactless payments, making it easy to make purchases online and in-store. It also employs industry-leading security protocols to protect your transactions and assets. My Nexo card has just arrived. Select. The Nexo card is fully integrated with the Nexo mobile app, providing real-time balance tracking, transaction history, and flexible management of your card settings. The Nexo card is currently available in most regions where Nexo operates, with plans to expand to additional markets in the future. The Nexo card seamlessly complements other Nexo services, such as the Instant Crypto Credit Line and Earn on Crypto and Fiat Suite. You can use your crypto holdings as collateral for the credit line and earn interest on your crypto assets while enjoying the benefits of the Nexo card.